Hey, I'm Guido Gaguzzi, and you're watching How to Do Shit with Guido Gagootz. Today I'm going to show you how to properly use a disgusting public toilet with my old friend and Puerto Rican plumber, Ronnie Rivera. Now, personally, even before I get to the traditional double-layer bird's nest...
Listen, Gigi, I'm not comfortable in here.
What do you mean?
I'm a germaphobe.
A what?
A germaphobe!
Oh! First of all, 3 of my 6 godsons are gay, so get over yourself. Secondly, just because we're in a public bathroom stall together, you're making assumptions, Ronnie.
No.
Not true.
Germaphobe.
Oh, a germaphobe. Wait, how the hell are you a plumber, for Christ's sakes? You're a germaphobe?
What, you saying because I'm a germaphobe that I can't be a plumber?
How the fuck can you be a plumber?
I think that you are prejudiced against my germophobia.
I think you're prejudiced against germs.
Oh, I am not prejudiced against germs.
All right, touch the toilet. Go ahead, touch it.
Well, I don't need to touch the toilet. Why should I touch the toilet?
Because that's how you build your immune systems, your antibodies.
I'm not gonna touch the toilet.
Touch
No, get your hands off of me. No.
Get in it. No, touch it. Fucking thank me later. Touch it. Put your hand on it.